You need help? Pull it out. What is it? Hangers? What is on it? Monkeys? What else is in there? Kevin, what is it?
Bag?
A bag? How do you carry around a bag? What's on that bag? An elephant. Is there anything else in there? Do you want to see? What's that? Bubbles. Can you pull those out? Pull, pull. What's on those hangers? Zebra stripes. And they're pink. And a tag. Okay, do you want to pull out some more? What else is in there? Pull, pull. Can you pop some? You want to do it yourself? Okay. What are you doing? Are you popping?